Welcome to another video from Dr. Lock. Just a real quick video on this Borg 5000 with the change, automatic little change key on the front. So to change a code, what you do is you put in your existing code, and I've just got it set to 1627. Then you put your key in, you turn and you push. Now you clear your current code and you put in your new code. I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, and I'm going to rotate that back. Okay, pull the handle down and try my code. 1, 2, 3, 4, and the drive is working, so it's been changed. You can also do more numbers than that. Let's do a 5-digit one. Oh, sorry, clear. Put in your current code, push the tool in, push down, hold, clear, and I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 for an example. Rotate it around, pull the handle, and test my code. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm going to see if it works by this one here, and it's working. If you pull too hard, this lock has a bit of a clutching function. See, but nothing's happening here. So that's changing it. Now let's change it back to a simple 4-digit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Push in, turn, hold, clear. 1. Let's just set it to 1 at the moment. Turn it back, clear. Okay, that's just clutching. That's not working. Let's try our old code. Not working. Clear. Let's just try the 1 button. And that's working. Okay, quick change combination of the Borg lock. Nice and easy, at least your customers can do it, and the keys included in the pack. Thanks for watching.